dog treats?
Have wafer sticks.
Mm.
What about those granolas?
Get them next. Just hold your horses, man. See, this looks like some sort of fabric. See if I can get it. It's a towel, yeah. But I also want what's in here. Yeah. Come here. Come here. Come here,
It's a
you.
handy little tool, isn't it?
Yeah, this is great. Normally, you'd have to get in there by now. There's not much in there now. Just some old junk. Let's see what's in this one. Sweatshirt. Alright, that's it. Okay, so I found these wafer sticks, and I'm just gonna give it a little taste test. Strawberry flavored. You want one, honey?
Yeah. That's pretty good.
Yeah. One for the road?
Yeah.